Hi, my name is Ruby and I'm here at Life Hack 2023. So we've got a jam-packed day full of different workshops and activities today across multiple different creative disciplines, such as photography, creative AI, MCing, radio. There's something for everyone here, which is so great.
People can go here, meet new people, make new friends, try different workshops, try fantastic food, get involved with the UV silent disco. Today's going to be an awesome day.
I did songwriting and MCing. I found it really interesting. Obviously creative arts is quite versatile, and having all these workshops that sort of have different aspects of different parts in the creative arts, it's really interesting for all of it to come together and create such an awesome day. I recommend Life Hack because it's a really good way of obviously people around here in the valleys to be able to come and be able to explore their creative side.
Life Hack has been an amazing experience to get to meet all the different industry artists I never knew were out there, to do all these different workshops like singing, radio, and get to experience all the other aspects that are out there. I recommend it to anybody who can get to the Pop Factory and do Life Hack.
It's helped me open up to new people and meet new people and make new friendships, and also meet a lot of old friends too that I might not see regularly. It's just a really good social event. It helps you open up, brings people out of their shell, build new confidence levels with new people and new friendships. So yeah, I definitely recommend coming along.
So we finished the workshops now and they were so great. I did theatre and film, but there were lots of other ones happening as well. I got to meet so many new people and different practitioners and learn so many new skills. I'd recommend this to anyone to come back again. It was so great. We're about to go and have food now. And then we've got the silent disco, so it's going to be so much fun.